guys, so this is the Bitcoin trade that I just took, and 1 minute time frame, and it just hit take profits. Okay, and then this is 15 minutes time frame. I took these other trades today. Oops, where are they? Oh my god, look at them. Jesus, I can't even see anything here. Okay, oh shit, let's just go back to the moment. So guys, this has been my reality lately. I think working hard sometimes pays. So this was a trade I took, one ratio 4, its take profit. And this is another trade. We took this one ratio 1.3, a sell. This is just scalping. We're just scalp basically. And this one also hits take profits. We took this one also hits take profit. Okay, back to what I was saying. So this one hits take profits. We did take a buy here. We took a buy position here, and it hit stop loss, but I deleted it so it doesn't spoil my screen. But that is pretty much the only stop loss we've had. And then, oh my god, this is diabolical. Bitcoin crashed by over 280. Like, okay, so guys, I'm waiting for this to hit TP now. Okay. What does this still remind me of, man? Hey Jesus, this still remind me of it's just funny as fuck, bro. I don't know. So what was I even saying? Damn, I'm waiting for it to hit TP. Okay, and then this is the gold trade that we took. Let's zoom it. So if you guys remember, I don't know if if you guys remember this trade in particular. Okay, let's hide this trading. This one hits take profit. This was a sell position we took the other day. This one hits take profit, and then I marked out this one. I just left it. I didn't know it was going to trigger. It triggered and it hit full take profits, as you can see. So that is all basically. I mean, it's kind of crazy. Recently market has been looking nice, but let's just see how this trade goes. So someone. See me laughing here. Yup. Okay. So you guys will be asking, why did I take this particular trade? So this one, market has shown this extremely impulsive move to the downside. As you can see, it dipped all the way from 95k. There was a whale that sold. So what really happened here? After it sold and sold and sold and now started consolidating, making a doing a buy side liquidity sweep, it came over here and then started to sell again. But then normally people would be like it's going to buy because it has broken these smaller structures, but this is on the 1 minute and you have to look at things from a bigger bias. But I didn't really go to the higher time frame. So when I saw that this MACD line crossed, it was an indication of a bearish signal, and then plus price action, pure price action, it has already tapped into this zone and it's did not react well. So this is just a confirmation that it's going to keep selling. So we took the sell and placed our stop right above this previous high and just over this FBG to be sure. So it now eventually sold and sold and sold, and it just kept on breaking structures. So we are hoping that it sweeps this liquidity, but if it doesn't, that's totally fine. Okay. Okay. Oh shit. Just when you think things are going well, then it starts to get stupid. Great. Ha. For a moment I thought that things were like getting cooler. Don't trade with emotions. It's terrible. Fuck. Wow. Damn it. I'm expecting any positive outcome from this shit. Are we? So what the market do? Market just swept this liquidity. Should just come and take all this liquidity out. What is it doing? Okay, let's look at it from the 15-minute time frame. What's happening? It hasn't swept it yet, so why is it retracing? Bro, this does not make sense at all. At least in my own eyes, I can't understand why it's doing this. It's supposed to sweep here. Man, what the hell? Oh, we're so close to take profit and now market is doing this. Okay, that was crazy. That's actually crazy. Okay, damn. Do I really have a viewer, or is this just my settings? I don't know. Ooh, it's possible. Okay. Damn. So if you hit stop loss, I'll end the live stream and I'll probably be going to sleep because right now, what's the time? In my zone is currently 2:59 a.m. That is about 3 a.m. and I'm awake. Monday morning, I'm awake by 3 a.m. because I want to trade. That's crazy. This is this Asian session we are trading now, and soon enough London session is opening. I already marked out London session for today. It's going to be tapping in here, and the S&P 500. Oh, this was a fucked up trade. Oh, it has opened, but by 8:30 we are taking a trade on S&P 500, not now. So you just have to wait. That's 8:30. Oh, 8:30 London session. We are not trading S&P 500. We are just watching the market. 2:30 London session is New York session opening. That is when we are actually going to look for a trade on S&P 500. I've decided to give Nasdaq a little space for now because this chart is crazy, bro. The speed is something else. It's just too quick. I mean, Bitcoin is still retracing. Damn. Oh. Okay, let's see how it goes. Bro, this is taking an unhealthy amount of time. Other things I want to do, and I'm also kind of sleepy right now. Hello. Gold. So gold is on a temporal bearish setup. So finding a bearish setup will be paramount if we want to make a move. Then target the 50% of this equilibrium, and then we can look for a buy. I'm not taking it. I've not done my top down analysis for today, so I can't just hop into a trade like that. And the market didn't even give us any chance. The only chance we have, sort of a chance, chance is this over here. This is the only partial chance we're even given, so let me mark that out. So if market gets here, good chance it's going to do something like this. Taps in and then it sells right to this point. But let's just watch it. Back to the Bitcoin. Why is the Bitcoin consolidating right now, bro? I'm really sleepy, I'm tired, and damn, I have a lot of things I have to do. Why is it 3 a.m? Damn. Fuck. Oh, I'm even streaming. I'm screencasting too. This is just taking forever. Okay. I know I don't really have any viewers, so who gives a fuck? Let's just watch this thing. Oh, damn. Bitcoin. So this is why most traders don't trade Asian session. And I mean, I'm not trading it, I'm just experimenting. It's really, really slow. It's really slow, honestly. Okay, so up to 15 minutes, we are not slowly move. 5 minutes and a move. Up to the 1 minute. Even gold is moving. So what the hell, bro? See how quick gold got to this position. Okay, so let's pretend that we take a trade. Take a trade off of this. I said let's pretend. I'm not taking the trade. And then our target is here. Let's see what actually happens. Is it going to disrespect it or is it going to hit SL? I mean, you can expect anything. This is Asian session, so Bitcoin consolidating. You see that it's already reacting, guys, partially reacting. So okay, that was too quick. Back to the Bitcoin. Let's check this other one. Okay. Are you guys seeing this? Oh, victory short lived. Okay, guys. So I'm thinking of buying a car. This is this CLS. Which one is this? So I don't even know. Let's check. Okay, so it's the CLS 550 2008 model. Roughly about 9,800 and something dollars. Bro, I don't have that money right now. But bro, I really wish I could make that money. If I made it, I'll buy a new car, rent a new house. I'll be happy. But I'm not happy. I'm not sad either. I'm just looking for opportunity like a hungry dog. Maybe someday you'll get here, bro. Oh, fucking hell, bro. I've been here for over. How many candles is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. I've been on this street for hours, bro. Hours. I've just been watching it. And I don't care about watching it. Like, I'm willing to watch it for as long as possible. I'm just I don't know, bro. I don't even know, bro. Whatever. It's hard. It's 3:13 a.m. 3:13 a.m. now. It's so like this guy is so neat, bro. It's so good. I would like to do a lot of mods on it when I buy it, A lot of mods, bro. A lot of mods. But that is for when I become profitable. Okay, actually, I'm basically profitable, but I'm not taking the trades like that. So within the next maybe 6-7 months, I'll really push things up quite a notch. I'll start taking all the trades and being a bit aggressive the way I am right now on these trades, and just hope that everything works out. Oh, okay. Tokyo, Japanese Tokyo session. Gold, what's up here? What are you doing? So come on. So guys, as you can see, this is my laid out plan and it's actually working, at least for now. Let's hope that we can overcome this fair value gap. If we overcome this fair value gap, we are going to hit take profits. If we fail to overcome this fair value gap, fuck. Sometimes I should just keep quiet, then it's going to hit SL. One of the two has to happen. This looks like an engineered liquidity over here. If it comes over here, then takes it out, collect more orders and then sell, or he just disrespects everything completely and buys for no reason. So we're hoping to overcome this fair value gap. In the meantime, Bitcoin, what's up? Damn, Bitcoin, you're really pissing me off, Just move in one direction, you don't think. Bro, I have so many things I'll use money on doing if I finally get to money. But right now, the market is cooking me, bro. It's slowly cooking me. Just look at this. It has been consolidating for a while. Just slow movement. That's just the Asian move, bro. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I planned this and it's actually selling. Why did I take this sell position? Mainly, if you look closely, you see that even the MACD did reference that it was going to sell. It was already tilting downwards, but that's not the reason I took this trade. The reason I took this trade was because of this other block and this gap over here. I mean, people say that this is not an FVG. I agree it's not an FVG, but based on market experience, market always reacts from this thing. So I kind of mark it out sometimes and use it. And it might be short-lived, yes, and you might end up taking maybe somewhere up here. But for now, it's working, even if it is slow and not so. And he also broke structure. This is another reason I took it, because he broke structure to the downside. So these are part of my confluences that I took, reasons I took it. Oops, I don't know why I can't get this. That means I can't access the trend line. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin has been frustrating. Honestly, Bitcoin is annoying. It's really annoying. Just buys and sells and then buys and sells and buys and sells. Let it hit stop loss or let it hit take profit, bro. It's just annoying, man. Straight up annoying. So clearly it's reacting from this fair value gap here. This fair value gap here is reacting from it. Oh, it might be ages before this trade actually plays out. This is why it's not good to trade during Asian session, because if you trade during Asian session, you're going to be, the market is going to move really slowly, except you're planning on trading it and then sleeping. You just place the trade and then you sleep. But then you can't monitor the market, so you're not really learning much. So what's the use? I guess. Regardless. Okay. Gold is the only one looking okay right now. Bitcoin looks like it could need some milk. Oh my god, bro. It's going back to our entry. At least it's something. Let it move in a direction. Damn, this thing has probably changed character, bro. It's breaking structure. It's about to break. About to break the structure here. This high is about to break it. Once it closes above, then it has broken the structure, and then it will be sad because we might end up getting stopped out from the consequence price action, and then all our waiting since I think it was 12 or 1 a.m. is going to be in vain. But regardless, these are part of the things we see in the markets every day. So yeah. As for the gold, oh my god, gold is coming back. I'm really tired and sleepy, but I can't give up. No, I just have to watch it. Let it hit stop loss or let it hit take profit. I don't mind. I'll probably learn from it. And bro, okay, it's about to enter a major sell. Is there any draw on liquidity? Yeah. So this can be our first take profit. This can be our second take profit. This should be our second take profit here, and this is our third take profit. So what we'll do is I'll mark out this current take profit. So when market hits this zone, I'll know that our take profit has been hit, and then I'll extend the take profits here. So okay, let me just do it. So basically this trade is a 1:4 trade now. Once it hits here, this is our first take profit, and I could end the live stream. Then I might give you guys an update on whether it hits here later. So that's just it, and that is if it has not yet hit the stop loss. So yup, as for Bitcoin, it's just confused, bro. Very confused thing. Holy crap. Got 2 So guys, I hope you are understanding what I'm talking about. Okay, so Bitcoin is finally deciding to move, but at the same time I don't just like the way that Bitcoin is doing. It's just, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. Just hoping it doesn't whipsaw again. As for the gold, gold has started consolidating badly. It's consolidating badly, and I don't know if you have heard of this concept called accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. That is, bro, it's literally almost 4 a.m. right now in my zone, and I'm really struggling to stay awake. So basically, what market does is that it consolidates in a particular zone for a while, then all of a sudden it breaks to one side. They call that the manipulation period. The accumulation period is why can't I hold this thing? Okay, the accumulation period is when it's consolidating, it's not moving in either direction, and then it breaks out in either direction, either up or down, anyone, and then it distributes in the opposite direction. Distribution means that it's going to keep going for a very long time, or at least as long as the trend says. So this is a classic look of how accumulation, manipulation, and distribution look like. Accumulated, manipulated, distributed. So yeah, so anytime you see the market manipulating, always look out to see if it's about to break out in one direction and distribute in the opposite direction. As you can see here, it started accumulating. We're not seeing any manipulation in any direction because the liquidity is low, and that usually happens during New York session. So but if we're lucky, we could see a manipulation to the upside into this fair value gap. This, I don't know, this mark is blocking it, so I'm pointing it out from up, so you guys should use the line to see it. Manipulate into this fair value gap and then break and distribute downwards. Then if it distributes downwards, it's good enough to hit our take profit, but we don't know for sure. We can manipulate here and distribute upwards, hitting our stop loss. So this is a 50-50 kind of situation right now, and this is the Bitcoin. At least Bitcoin is going down quite a bit, bro. Honestly, they call these trend lines, is it trend lines? I call this like my reactivity points. I mark out zones in the market that are important, and places that market have reacted from before, because market tends to react again. It reacts over past price actions like highs, lows, even inverse fair value gaps. So sometimes I just mark them out with lines, so meaning that there's a zone right here, something is going to happen here, and there's this liquidity here. So if market sweeps this liquidity, it can use from here and bounce and buy strongly, because this sell was just too sharp. It was just too sharp. Just look at this, bro. Market sold all the way from here. Like BTC crashed over. Damn, it really crashed, bro. And now it's consolidating. It will still start buying. And once it start buying, we'll be in trouble if we're still open. That's why I just want to get out as quick as possible. But the market is making it impossible for me to get out of this trade, bro. It's just consolidating. Like, bro, it's not really consolidating, but it's consolidating. It's not making any move in any good direction. Okay, let's see what it's going to do. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, I don't want to speak too fast. I don't want to be like I talked too soon. But if market respects this fair value gap here, let me use a rectangle and mark it out. If market respects this fair value gap here, it would validate the accumulation, manipulation, and then distributes to the downside. But if it doesn't, going to hit our stop loss, because it's going to use it as an inverse fair value gap and buy and just hit our stop loss. So I really hoping for the best right now, honestly. And that's crazy. Oh damn, it was a good run, it was a good run. Wow, Bitcoin, what's up? Oh, really not doing much right now. It's still here. Damn. Honestly, I don't know what market wants to do, bro. Could this be the manipulation, or is this just another liquidity grab before it finally hits our stop loss? Let's just watch how it goes. Wow. I think we are cooked, bro. Fucking cooked, bro. This wasn't, I don't know. Maybe I'm sleepy or something. Oh well. Gold was a good run, but I only trade gold during London session and sometimes during New York session. Then I trade S&P 500. Okay, I trade futures during New York session. So right now I'm just experimenting with the Asian session. I'm not quite used to the price action of Asian session. So yeah, but we just gotta keep trying our concepts and see how it works. Learn to adapt. So this is the Bitcoin. It's not moving. Back in 2007, they were like, buy a Bitcoin, and nobody bought Bitcoins. People were like, what the fuck are you talking about? Leave Bitcoin alone. No one gives a fuck that Bitcoin is a scam or shit like that. Today, Bitcoin is what? How much is Bitcoin? 92k. We're literally selling it for peanuts, bro. Like $3, $2, $1. People could buy like 5,000 Bitcoins, bro. 5,000 Bitcoins. That is multi-millions right now, bro. Enough to just generate generational wealth, and people slept on it. So I'm wondering, what if there is something out there right now that we don't even know, that they are pushing on us and telling us to get now, and we are not taking good advantage of it? And let me say, the next 20 years, kids will now be like, why didn't you capitalize on this? Why didn't you capitalize on this? That this was liquid gold, and how didn't you know? And that is my biggest fear right now, like not knowing that there is currently a gold mine somewhere, like something crazy that can change you and give you generational wealth is out there, and you don't even know where it is, and then you just sleep up on the entire opportunity, and you just sleep up, and then you're going to be annoyed at your own self later on and be like, I wish I had known. Why didn't I know? And honestly, I get that kind of frustration. I really don't want something like that to happen. So that's why I'm always trying every day to see whether there's something I'm missing somewhere. I just try to keep myself up to date, and also never really dismiss information. Just try to at least listen. Maybe it can save you something, bro. Oh, I'm sleepy, bro. I'm very, very sleepy. I'm not supposed to be awake, bro. Bitcoin, okay. I don't give a fuck about Bitcoin anymore. This thing is, this thing is not going to move anywhere. It's just here, just going like this, bro. Fuck. Gold, on the other hand, I'm counting on you. Hit stop loss or hit take profits, please. Jesus. Oh, fuck. I want to sleep. I haven't done it since today. Is it loading? Oh my god, don't tell me. No. No, 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 no. Fuck is you guys. Okay. What the fuck did you just tell me, bro? What is this, bro?